Hello.
This is my face. So guess what? We have hard body content today. I know everybody will be super excited about that. What are we doing? Hood struts.
Hood struts.
Dude, Ray's just down there having a ball with that fork.
Whoa. Why don't we put that fork? Give me that. Give me that fork. Give me it.
So yeah, we're doing hood struts today. Is this open or what? So there are a couple companies out there that make hood strut kits for hard bodies. I know Roadifab makes them,
Yeah.
and we got these from
Dan Carr.
who's that?
Dan Carr?
Dan Carr.
I think.
Yes.
I don't know.
Let me look.
Look
Give
on
me a
the
second.
email.
Give me a second.
So full disclosure, he reached out to us, said, hey, I make these. You don't have to modify some stuff that you have to with the Roadifab kit. Will you give them a shot and put them on your hard bodies? And we said, of course, because we're all about helping anybody that does hard body stuff, especially people that reach out to us. So he sent us this kit. Okay, little turd.
Yes, Dan Carr.
Dan Carr.
He is Shadow Ronin 77 on Instagram, and we will have that link in this video. We're going to show y'all what all it comes with. I'm actually looking at a picture of it. I don't know why. We've got the stuff right here. So let's open this stuff up. This is a kit where it comes with like the mounts and pretty much everything you need except the struts themselves. But he does supply you with a link to, like an Amazon link to the struts. And this is it.
We'll have
Boom.
the struts in the description. We'll have his information in the description. And the struts are $25 for a set of 2 with the hardware that you need. His kit is $35 for everything that you need.
God, everything's lost since we moved the shop.
Yeah. Let's
Or
go
since
look
we
through
tore down the shop and had
The
to
mess.
put everything in your garage.
the mess. Here, I know where there's something that'll cut that.
So, are we still rolling?
Yep.
Keep in mind, like, we haven't tried the Roadifab set, so, hey, look, that'll cut these.
Yeah, much better.
We haven't tried the Roadifab set, so we're not comparing those to these. Roadifab's been doing this for a long time, and I'm sure his are amazing. We were thinking about buying some. We just hadn't got around to ordering them before Dan Carr reached out to us and said, hey, you want to try these? And we said, sure, why not? We needed some hard body content to shoot anyways while we're waiting for our shop to get built, which should be in the next month.
Yeah.
God, we've been waiting so long to get our shop built. It's ridiculous.
Can you say hi? Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
Can you wave?
That is Ray,
Say hi,
if anybody
YouTube.
hasn't met her.
How did you?
Okay, so we got some D's and we got some P's. Driver, passenger, I assume.
That's my guess. We got
Yeah.
2 kits, so don't get them too mixed up.
So yeah, driver, passenger, and then
Perfect.
driver, passenger, driver, passenger. That is
He's-
2 kits. That's how they come.
He sent us instructions, but we're not going to use them.
We're just gonna see if we can figure it out. Is that what we're gonna do?
Yeah, it should be simple enough.
All right, so we were trying to think this through without using the instructions. We ended up going with the instructions. Yeah, we are looking right here, and it shows you like what everything's gonna look like when you get it put together. The instructions actually have like words and stuff. Can I pull it up, please? See, there are words, lots of words and things. You have to provide some bolts, some nuts, some washers, do a bit of drilling here and there. We're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna run get some bolts and nuts and washers and stuff, and Ronnie's gonna do some drilling while I'm gone. Are you gonna drill while I'm gone?
Probably not.
Okay, Ronnie's gonna drill when I come back with the bolts and nuts and washers, but we'll see y'all in a minute. All right, so this is what we've done so far. We put the little ball joint thingies on the little bracket thingies. So, and the ball joint thingies on these bracket thingies. So far it's been like, you know, Legos, just nuts and bolts. And we're kind of looking, measuring, that sort of thing.
His are further back.
Back which way?
That way, from where
Yeah,
I
yeah,
can be
that's
here.
what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking. All right, say something.
Hello.
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 So here we are. We've got one side installed. We didn't record that side because we had a modified installation because we have a oil filter relocation over there. So we had to put the bracket on top of the fender lip, whereas the instructions actually call for the bracket to be on the bottom side of the fender lip. So we're actually going to do it the right way on the driver's side.
What? Strange.
What's that?
That we're doing something right.
I know. Really?
All right, I'm turning off my mic.
All right, Ronnie's turned off his mic so you won't have to be tortured by the sound of his drill. But this is what we're doing. So, like you saw before, the brackets on the top side are straight bolt in. They bolt right in. You've got the little ball joints that you have to buy a nut and a washer for to bolt that onto the bracket. You buy the strut kit, you put the strut down, and when the strut's hanging, you just like, here, will you grab that, Ronnie? And lay it on top of the fender so we can show them how to, when you put that right there, you just kind of put it there and you mark where the holes need to be drilled. When it's at like full extension, I've got the hood open just to stock height because I don't think we can go any higher. But you just put it there, you mark where the holes are to be drilled, drill them, and then you've got some quarter, let's see, 1 inch, quarter 20s that we're putting in, and then we got nylon lock nuts for those and washers also. I think all the hardware was $4.50 or something like that. How much were the strut kits?
25.
25 a piece? Mm-hmm. That's not bad. That's not bad. And how much is his kit? Do you know?
35.
35. So 35 plus 25 is 60. And then say an extra $5 for hardware. That's 65. And you know, a little elbow grease. And you've got hood struts. Yeah. Wow, that's real loud. Is that done?
Yeah.
Is it like done? Oh, weird. The hood is like holding itself up. That's pretty weird. So now you need to close it and open it.
Watch it fold in half.
Yeah, and just watch it all fall to pieces. Just kidding. Uh-oh. Did we get a strut that, oh, okay. The strut kind of acted up for a second.
Did it?
Well, it looked like it wasn't closing.
Oh, no, it was. It
was
just, I'll tell you in a second.
Okay. Did you turn your mic on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is it picking it
Hi,
up?
you're so good about turning your mic on. I'm terrible at turning my mic on. Dang, look at that. So if you take it all the way to closed, does it open itself? Like, can you barely push it up and it opened itself, or what? No. Nice. The important thing is that it holds itself up. It's not gonna fall on your head. That's nice.
That strut's a little weak.
Which one?
That one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Huh.
That's what I was going to say. I wish these struts were a little stronger. Might be because they're from Amazon.
Maybe.
But this one is definitely weak.
Weaker than the other one?
Yeah, you can see it moving.
Yeah, I see the fluctuation.
This one's
there.
not. This one's tight. And you can tell, like, this side, real easy to go down. This side has some actual, you actually got to do
I
it.
See. So if the passenger side strut was as strong as the driver's side, it might open itself.
Yeah, well, it's not going to open itself just because the leverage,
Oh, okay.
but it
I
would
see what you're saying.
definitely be better. I think it's dope.
Well, we're gonna do this on mine also. So, and we're gonna see. I don't know. Maybe I'll get better struts than you.
Yeah.
I'll get a better draw from the strut pile. Anyways, what's our
So a couple things. I want to talk about strut kits. We're gonna go look at my STI.
okay.
This is super nice how flat this is, so it doesn't intrude into your workspace when you're trying to work on the vehicle.
Oh yeah, that it's not more
A lot of
upright
cars
like
will
that.
have them like this, and you can't get in the side.
Right.
Or even your your regular hood strut bar thing. Same thing.
Kind of like my fender mirrors.
Right. Exactly. So this will cancel out the inconvenience of the fender mirrors.
Nice.
The one thing that would be nicer, this has nothing to do with him or the kit or anything like that, would be if this went up more so Bo wouldn't stab himself.
God, I always stab myself on those corners. We've talked about making some 3D printed corner covers. Bright yellow, like little Charger splitter covers or Challenger splitter covers.
And then glue some rubber on them.
There you go.
When you hit your
Boom.
head, it's not terrible.
Yeah.
You don't have a concussion. But anyways, yeah, that's super awesome.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it went together like super quick.
Yeah, it
once
was
we
easy.
got like all the nuts and bolts and stuff.
Yep.
It's a good kit. It's a good kit. Check it out. Like I said, we haven't tried the Roadie Fab kit, and we don't know what other kits are out there. There might be other kits out there that because we just kind of stumbled upon this kit. This guy was like, "Hey, I'm making this kit," and so I don't know. There might be other kits out there, but this kit works. You know, it's worth it. Like I said, $65-ish.
Yeah, definitely worth it.
Yeah, totally worth it.
Okay, let's go look at my STI.
let's go look at the
I want to
STI.
show what would be nice if this could do. So,
Where'd you get the hood struts for this?
They came on it, but they're Good Speed, Grim Speeds.
Grimspeed?
There's only one company besides eBay that does this,
Okay.
and this is such a big deal, in my opinion.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That thing goes straight up.
Exactly.
Oh
It's
my
so
gosh.
nice,
Dude, that's engine swap city right there.
right?
That's my biggest complaint with doing engine swaps is like the hood never freaking, it'd be nice if you could just open the hood instead of having to take it off.
Yeah. So,
Yeah,
This is amazing.
That's nuts.
and
So
these
what
struts are
limits-
low profile too.
What limits the hard body's hood from going up that far?
I haven't looked yet.
Because before we got the struts on, like it definitely wouldn't go up that far. Like it was just stock height. Like it wouldn't go up any further.
Yeah. So, what it looks like is the hinge on the hard body goes through the body like this, like it's like a J.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And it looks like the body is what stops it. So if you were to cut a channel in there,
Like it goes through the firewall, right?
right. And so I think if you were to cut a channel so that could swing up higher, I
Yeah.
think it could go this high.
Interesting.
The problem would be, is the strut kit capable of that? Can you
Yeah.
slide them back further and it still compresses enough to lift this all the way
Yeah, who knows?
and do that? But anyways, if
Yeah,
you can
that's
find a
amazing.
strut kit for whatever car you're doing, not a hard body, a Mustang like that right there. So
I'm gonna find a strut kit for this.
if they make one that does this, buy it, even if it's $50 more than any other kit, because the convenience is worth the $50.
Will do. Definitely will do.
Because that's amazing.
Hey, when are we gonna race these two cars?
I don't know.
When are you gonna blow me out of the water?
Okay, so I had an idea because you told me something the other day about something else that you wanted to race.
Okay.
And I have something that hopefully one day eventually will be shipped to the United States.
Oh yeah.
And I thought we could do like an S550
Uh-huh.
versus the world.
That would be awesome.
And maybe we could get a couple of our friends to bring out a car or two
Dude, that would be super fun.
and just make a, because like, and this is hard for me to say, it pains me a little, but this is probably the best performance for the dollar right now.
What?
Yeah.
Hey, say that again for the
No, I can't
for the
say it.
camera, dude. For the people in the back. Say it again.
But in all honesty, like, what'd you pay for this?
30.
30 grand for a 460-ish horsepower V8, a 6-speed manual. You're getting 30 miles to the gallon, and it's quick. And
Now I get like 25, 26 when I'm being conservative.
yeah, but we're talking.
But on the interstate, I get close to
you'll
30.
probably touch 30, and so, like, what is there not to love about this car?
The long transmission, the long gear ratios.
Okay,
They're super long. It does 72 in second gear.
But anyways, besides that, like, I don't know. I really think these cars, they've come a long way. They went independent rear suspension and so on and so forth. And I think an S550 is a pretty good benchmark.
I agree, and they're really pretty. Like, I think
They
they're
are
super
good
good looking. Like, they're one of the best. I think they're one of the best looking Mustangs since the advent of the Mustang.
I don't know. GT350s are pretty gangster looking.
They are indeed.
But anyways, yes, that's what I was thinking. We could do like an S550 versus the world. This car's completely stock. We'll have some modified cars. We'll have a stock car with similar-ish numbers.
Right on.
And
We have some friends that don't drive shit boxes. We
Yeah.
have friends that don't drive $500 cars.
But we also have friends that don't drive shit boxes, like just like us. They don't daily shit boxes, but
Yeah,
they
right.
own shit boxes.
Yeah, exactly.
So, you know, maybe we can talk Bailey into bringing out
Dude,
one of
that's
the
a good
two
idea.
red cars.
Yeah.
Or both.
Both of the red cars. See how they do. I plan on taking this to the next autocross and seeing how it does.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got these super like weird tires on there. These Eagle F1 supercars. When they heat up, they're supposed to be super sticky, but when it's cold out like this, they are super slippery. Like in the morning when I get in to drive, like they will spin for the first mile. It's ridiculous. But I like to see how they do on the autocross track. And I've got a buddy that has a pretty quick car that I want to meet at the drag strip and see how we stand. Like there's no way I'm going to beat him at the drag strip unless it's like, maybe if it's unprepped, maybe.
I
don't know.
He's
Who
all-wheel
knows?
drive.
Is he?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay. So we'll see. I'll probably get eaten up, but I just want to see how well it does. I like my car. I'm ready to drive it.
Yeah. I hope mine comes eventually.
So that's our review of
Dan Carr.
Dan Carr's Hood Strut Kit for D21s.
10 out of 10.
He said that he wanted to get into other hard body stuff. I'm not sure what he means, like suspension stuff or interior stuff. Roadie Fab does a lot of stuff. B. Benny was doing a lot of stuff, but I've heard that B. Benny's like discontinued some of his better products. Maybe Dan Carr will pick up the torch and run with it and start making some D21 stuff. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't want to like back him into a corner or something like that. Sorry, Dan.
We've overloaded people before from you guys.
We have indeed. So that's it. Do with that information what you will, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.